Uh, Hello, good morning to all of you. And how are you? I think you will be fine. All guys will be fine. And this is a time of lockdown, so we will decide. And I think particular I have decided it that I will go to start something extraordinary, which will be very helpful for your examination perspective, and also it will be helpful and very profitable for your coming different type of the competitive examination. Actually, I am the faculty of biology, myself Maruti Nandan Singh, and I will go to start the particular subject related with the NEET examination, which is going to held on this year 2020. And also it will be very profitable for just like a civil services examination, that will be UPSC, PCS, it means a state PCS examination, and also it will be very helpful for the different kind of the one day examination. So we will go to cover all the dimensions which is related with the different topics and particular related with the subject. Whenever we will talking about NEET 2020, then we will know actually we have also understanding about to the particular pattern of the NEET examination. Actually, NEET examination is a common entrance examination conducted for the medical admissions, and here a certain type of the questions that will be the objective type of questions coming in the examinations. uh, there is a three segment of the science portion. One is a biology, second one is a physics, and third one is a chemistry. So how many portions, which portion is a very profitable, or which portion is a very important, which portion is very important, and maximum questions are coming from that portion in the NEET examination. That understanding is very necessary before preparing the examination. So when we will compare these three parts of the science, physics, chemistry, and biology, we find that biology section is very important and very necessary in regard of the NEET examination. So here 180 question, total number of the question is a 180, which coming in your NEET examination 2020. Approximately 90 questions are from biology section, and 41 each questions are coming from the physics and chemistry. That means ki 50% questions covers by the biology section, and remaining 50% questions are coming from the physics and chemistry. So biology portion is very important, and huge amount of your numerous of the questions, a maximum portion of the questions includes in the paper, that is from a particular biology subjects. So which portion is very important, that I have understanding, we have understanding, and that is a biology section. We will go to start and plan our strategy for preparing the NEET examination 2020. That will be started from the biology portion. So when we will talk about the biology portion, then a question is comes in our mind, that which one is very necessary or required for the NEET preparation. So we have a two portion. One is the 11th syllabus of the biology, and second one is the 12th syllabus of the biology, that covers the different type of the books. Basically we cover the NCERT, and after NCERT we covers the different type of the MCQs book for the practice, and previous year solve papers, that maximum 10 year. We will go to solve the 10-year previous year papers, and after that we will go to give the prefer for a particular MCQ question book. So 11th and 12th syllabus of the biology is very important for the preparation of the NEET examination. So here one thing is a very important, that actually when we include the 11th and 12th chapters of the biology, that is approximately I think 38 chapters in 11th and 12th both. So that is a huge amount of the chapters, and we have a limited time. So how we will go to cover all these segments with a fully explanation and full approach to solve the all type of the question which coming in the NEET examination 2020. So we have a strategy. Actually, I have a plan for preparation NEET examination 2020. So all guys who is ready to prepare for the NEET examination, come and join us for this, and we will start it. And also I will suggest you that which chapter is very important related with a particular exam, that is a NEET exam, and what will be the percentage of that importance, and why that is a very important, why the number of the questions, the maximum number of the questions coming from that particular chapter, what is the reason behind of that, and how I analyze this. Exactly, when you got a previous year paper, then you will go to compare 10-year previous paper, you will go to compare all the number of the questions coming from the particular chapter. You will find out that some chapters covers the maximum number of the question, and some chapters covers only the few questions. So it should be required that the chapter which covers the maximum number of the question, we focused in that chapter, is very highly and enhancing effective work. ओके, सो जो चैप्टर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जिनसे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन काफ़ी ज़्यादा पूछे जा रहे हैं या पहले भी पूछे गए हैं, संभावना है, उन चैप्टर्स के बारे में मैं बताऊंगा। और सबसे पहले उन्हीं टॉपिक्स को हम कवर करेंगे जिन चैप्टर्स से पिछले 10 साल में बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे गए हैं या आगे भी ज़्यादा पूछे जाने की चांसेस नहीं हैं। हम उन्हें भी पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन उनमें उतना ज़्यादा एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने की या उतना ज़्यादा टाइम लॉस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। सो सारे सिलेबस को, पूरा होल सिलेबस को, सारे डायमेंशंस को कवर करेंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले हम फोकस करेंगे उन टॉपिक्स पे या उन चैप्टर्स पे जिनसे सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नीट एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाते हैं। एंड आफ्टर दैट, जैसे ही एक टॉपिक हमारा खत्म होगा, आफ्टर फाइनलाइजिंग द टॉपिक और आफ्टर अकम्प्लिशिंग आवर टॉपिक और चैप्टर, we will go to solve the particular questions which will be the related from the previous year solved papers, and also the questions which I will go to formulated for you, and you will go to solve that. अगर उन क्वेश्चंस में कोई भी किसी भी तरीके की क्वेरी है एंड आपको आंसर देने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, देन वी विल you can contact with me, and I am here to answer the all type of the question with a full explanation, as you know better, and I am always with you, my dear friends, and thank you very much. And wait and watch for my first video, and also give your comment. If it will be profitable for you, then give me a better comment. And if you think that it will just a waste of time, then you can also give me a negative comment also. So thank you very much, meet you again, and bye. Thanks.